Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. My friends, in this video, we discuss the currently emergency update of Hedera Hashgraph. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, first of all, we discuss the currently and latest price update of the Hedera Hashgraph, Hbar Coin. And now from today the market, cryptocurrencies market is going wrong, completely going wrong. Not only Hedera Hashgraph price is going down, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Shibano is completely going down. This all coin, the last 1 hour pricing is going wrong, going negative. It seems like that the Hedera Hashgraph is now at this time is in the false. You can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is negative. So I mean that now at this time the market is going complicated and no one can understand that what's going on at this time in the market and what will be the next move of Hedera Hashgraph or another coin. What will be the next target? What will be the next move? No one can decide. Let's see, my friends, the latest price update of Hedera Hashgraph 0.20717 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Hedera Hashgraph in a USD dollar in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is positive, and last 1 week pricing is again negative. Only the last 1 day pricing is positive, except after the last 1 day the pricing is going wrong, completely going wrong, my friends. So people are complicated and they don't decide that what should we do this time, don't understand nothing, because 1 day the market pump, second day the market dump. So it's difficult to decide, my friends. Let's see the price chart of the Hedera Hashgraph for more details. My friends, you can see here the price chart tells us that they take a jump for 1 hour, and after 1 hour the price again falls down, take a jump, 1 hour falls down, 1 hour falls down. So now at this time the market is fully and complicated, my friends. You have to hold. If you hold, so you will get a profit, my friends. That is just a alert news for all Hedera Hashgraph holders. My friends, my prediction is that maybe in the next 3 days the price of Hedera Hashgraph is going down. So that is why I alert everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.